There are many printer products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best printers from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Monochrome Laser Printer. Rating 4.3. Engineered for consistent, premium print quality, the Brother HLL 2460DW Monochrome. Black and white, laser printer produces documents that are clear, crisp, and easy to review and share, all at an affordable price. Manage your wireless printer remotely and print from your mobile device anytime, from almost anywhere. Order Brother genuine supplies, track toner usage, and complete more work on the GO3. Tackle high-volume black and white printing with the 250-sheet capacity paper tray. 4. The manual feed slot enables printing on envelopes and specialty paper. Backed by Brother with a 1-year limited warranty and free online, call, or live chat support for the life of your printer. Number 4. HP LaserJet Printer. Rating 4.3. Print, scan and copy high-quality black and white docs like forms, reports and business documents. Fastest two-sided printing in its class. Black and white precision laser printing plus scan, copy and wireless connectivity. Toner delivered before you run out. Never run out of toner with an optional instant ink subscription for laser printers. HP Smart App Print. Scan and copy from your phone from anywhere. Scan to cloud. Scan documents from your phone straight to Dropbox, Google Drive and more. Ultra-fast print speeds. Print up to 30 pages per minute single-sided, up to 19 pages per minute two-sided. Dual-band Wisconsin Phi with self-reset that automatically detects and resolves connectivity issues. Number 3. HP Color LaserJet Pro Printer. Rating 4.3. Perfect for small teams printing, scanning and copying professional quality color documents and reports plus fax. Print speeds up to 26 ppm. Black color. Professional productivity proficiency with every print. Next generation TerraJet toner brings your business to life with more vivid colors. Upgraded features. Fast color printing, scan, copy, fax, auto two-sided printing, two-sided single-pass scanning, auto document feeder, and a 250-sheet input tray. Award-winning reliability. Performance you can count on page after page, and always ready for the high demands of business. Print, scan, copy, or fax right from your smartphone with the easiest to use print app. Number 2. Canon Imagicless Printer. Rating 4.4. 3-year limited warranty. One-pass duplex scan. Allows you to obtain a two-sided scan with one pass through the automatic document feeder. Print up to 37 pages per minute with a first print out of time of less than 4.9 seconds. Letter. Wi-Fi direct connection enables easy connection to mobile devices without a router. Print on the go with Canon Print Business, Apple AirPrint and Mopria Print Service. Number 1. Brother Wireless Compact Printer. Rating 4.5. Designed to deliver premium print quality, the Brother MFCL 2820DW Monochrome. Black and white, laser multi-function printer, delivers dynamic laser print, copy, scan, and fax multi-functionality in a compact footprint. Print more black and white documents with the exceptional value of in-box toner that yields up to 4,200 consistently sharp, crisp PAGES1. 6 times more toner in box than MFCL 2820DW2. Tackle high-volume printing with print speeds up to 36 ppm 3, and scan speeds up to 23.67.9 IPM4 BKCL. A 50-page auto document FEEDER5 allows for convenient, time-saving multi-page copy, scan, and fax. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.